Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with 21. In this video, I am going to discuss about various forms of ellipse. So what are the various forms of the ellipse? So in that first, x squared by a square plus y squared by b square equal to 1. When a is greater than b, when a is greater than b means it is horizontal ellipse. So how it will be the figure of horizontal ellipse? So I will draw here. Observe carefully. This is horizontal ellipse. Not exact figure. Okay. Little. You can understand that. This is the center of the circle. Sorry, center of the ellipse. So center of the ellipse for standard equation is always 0, 0. So center is a point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis. I hope everyone understand that. In the last class we discussed about center, foci, everything and all. Now eccentricity denoted by E. When A is greater than B, square root of, from here to here it is A, from here to here it is B. This is a dash, B dash. Okay. From here to here and from here to here distance by observing A is greater than B. So eccentricity we are getting it as A square minus B square divided by, when A is greater than B case, square root completely. A square minus B square by whatever starting term is there, that only will come in the denominator, A square. Okay. Now coordinates of foci here, S and S dash, S dash. S is right side to center at the distance of AE units. So AE comma 0, here minus AE comma 0. Coordinates of foci, minus AE comma 0, AE comma 0. Coordinates. Okay. So combinedly we can write it as S of simply plus or minus AE comma 0. These are the coordinates of geometry. Here I am writing simply foci, but coordinates of foci plus or minus AE comma 0. Okay dear students, plus or minus AE comma 0. Now length of major axis from A to A dash, that is called length of major axis. A dash is called major axis. So major axis length A dash equal to, from here to here it is A units, from here to here it is A, total 2A. So length of major axis is equal to 2A. Length of major axis is equal to A plus A, 2A units. Next, length of minor axis B dash is called minor axis. From here to here it is B, from here to here it is B. So B dash is equal to 2B. Length of minor axis. B dash is called minor axis whose length is equal to 2B. Next, equation of directrices. Equation of directrices. So directrices are which are directrices? In the last figure also we draw that this is Z, this is Z, this is Z dash. So this line is equal to x is equal to A by E. This line is equal to x is equal to minus A by E, dear students. So the combined equation we are writing, which are parallel to y-axis only, no? So the equations of directrices is x is equal to plus or minus A by E. So the directrix equations, x is equal to plus or minus A by E. Here one more forgot, the length of latest rectum is very important. length of lattice rectangle. It can be simply written as LLR, length of lattice rectangle. In brackets, we will write it as LLR, length of lattice rectangle. So length of lattice rectangle is from here to here. It is passing through focus or foci, L dash. L dash is equal to length of lattice rectangle 2b square by a. When a is greater than b, the length is 2b square by a from here to here. The length of lattice rectangle. We'll move on to another figure. When a is greater than b figure, we draw that. Now a is less than b case. That means this figure absolutely turning into 90 degrees. So this figure will be like this. So this figure will turn into 90 degrees. So it will be vertically it comes. I will show in the figure. Now come to the second case. Second model. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. But a is less than b case, dear students. So a is less than b means the figure will come like this. Just now I said no, it will be vertically. In this figure, so now this is A, this is A dash, B dash. We are not changing anything. Center will be same, 0, 0. Center C is equal to center 0, 0. Whenever eccentricity E is less than B, eccentricity value E is equal to square root of. Observe carefully from here to here distance A, from here to here distance B. By observing A is less than B. Whenever A is less than B, B comes first. B square minus A square by B square. A is less than B, root of B square minus A square by B square. The coordinates of foci. So here, S and S dash. S and S dash. We observe that both foci which are lies on y-axis. This is y-axis distance. X-axis, y-axis. On y-axis, x coordinate is 0. So, y coordinate. Previously we got AE comma 0. But here 0 comma with respect to y-axis means B point is there. So BE. So 0 comma minus BE. So combinedly we write it as the coordinates of foci S of 0 comma plus or minus BE. Okay, dear students, these are the coordinates of foci. When A is less than B, which we are talking about. Next, length of major axis. Observe carefully here. B dash is called major axis. A dash is called minor axis. So length of major axis B dash is equal to 2B. Length of minor axis from the figure A dash is equal to 2A. When we are talking about A is less than B. Next, equation of directrices. These are the directrices which are parallel to x-axis. Y is equal to B by E. Y is equal to minus B by E. Previously, x is equal to A by E, x equal to minus A by E. But when come to A is less than B case, which are parallel to directrices are parallel to x-axis. So, equation of directrices y equal to plus or minus B by E. Now, length of lattice rectangle. So, the lattice rectangle means which are passing through the focus and perpendicular to the major axis. So, L dash. In this case, L dash equal to, when A is less than B case, 2A square by B. 2A square by B. This is Length of lattice rectum when A is less than B case. Now, third one we are going to discuss now. Third one, like A is greater than B case like first one, but center will be not at origin. Center will be at H comma K. Center is shifted to some constant point, fixed point, that is H comma K. So, how to write that up? That type. If you remember first case, that means x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, A is greater than B. Whatever the values are there, especially coordinates like 0, 0, 0, 0, like this. For that, you can add h comma k to the respective x and y coordinates. You can observe in the medium. Now, third type, various forms of the ellipse. The third one, x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1. When a is greater than b, this is equation of ellipse. Center is not at origin. Center with h comma k. Previously x square by a square. But here x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square. That means x minus 0 whole square can be written as 0. X minus h whole square means h comma k is the center. Therefore, center coordinates will becomes h comma k. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1. Then eccentricity cannot be changed. A is greater than b. Whatever we have for equation 1 type of a square minus b square by a square will come. Next, coordinates of foci will change. Previously, a is greater than b. What are the coordinates of foci? S of plus or minus ae comma 0. For a is greater than b, generally focus is plus or minus ae comma 0, no? Just this center we can add for this. For x coordinate h, for y coordinate k. So it comes as s of h plus or minus ae comma 0 plus k. So what comes here? Coordinates of foci. H plus or minus ae comma k. I hope everyone understands your difference. Only for equations and coordinates. Center not at origin means this is the way you can add. So just I am rubbing these students for understanding purpose and what. So figure also same thing. We know how to draw the figure. For this no need. If you want to just draw figure. Center h comma k. S dash a dash a b b dash. Length of major axis. Length of major axis. In that length, it won't be changed. Constant value it won't be changed. Here a dash, it should be 2a only. There is no change at all. Even minor axis also b dash. There is no change at all. Next, equation of directrices. But here it will changes. Directrices means x is equal to a by e, x equal to minus a by e. X coordinate is related to h, no? So, equation of coordinates, the equation of directrices, x equal to h plus or minus a by e. H plus a by e this side equation, h minus a by e this side equation. Equation of directrices. Next, length of lattice rectum, length also it will be changed. So, LL door equal to LL dash. So, this is the length of lattice rectum, LL dash is equal to 2b square by a, when 2b square by a, whenever it is greater than b, length of lattice rectum 2b square by a. So when center at h comma k, this is the information. Now last one, fourth information, fourth concept. So that is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1 when a is less than b case. Here only little changes you are going to observe. Just I will change it. Now, fourth model, x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1 when a is less than b case. Center obviously h comma k. Whenever it is not at origin, h comma k center. A is less than b, eccentricity root over b square minus a square by b square. Foci coordinates s equal to, when a is less than b, s is what? Generally 0 comma plus or minus b arrow. So for that what we are adding? H comma k we are adding. So it comes h plus 0 comma a plus or minus b. That's what we are getting here. H comma k plus or minus b. Coordinates of foci. Okay, difference. Length of major axis. If you draw the figure, it comes. This is the ellipse. A is less than b case. So b dash, a dash, center, h comma k, focus, h comma k plus be, s dash, h comma k minus be. So this is another direction. Directrix. This is also another directrix. Here, LLR it will be. So length of major axis, minor axis, no change. This is the major axis, BB dash. Major axis BB dash, which is equal to 2B. A dash, which is equal to 2A. So A dash, sorry, BB dash is over. Now, equations of directrices. Y is equal to, so this is equal to Y. Y is equal to. Above one means K plus B by E. Below one is K minus B by E. So we can write it as both y equal to K plus or minus B by E. When you come to length of lattice rectum L dash, when A is less than B case, 2A square by B, length of lattice rectum. This is about various forms of ellipse. I hope you understand it, students. Not only this concept, but also I will provide auxiliary circle. So that concept also I will give in this video. Okay, we'll move on to. Here we are talking about auxiliary circle. The circle described on major axis of an ellipse as a diameter is called auxiliary circle of the ellipse. See figure how it will be. So this is the ellipse figure generally. This is the major axis now, A dash. This is B dash, minor axis. The circle describes on major axis of an ellipse. This is the circle equation which describes on major axis of an ellipse as a diameter is called. This is called auxiliary circle. This is called auxiliary circle of the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. When a is greater than b, so whenever a is greater than b, from here to here distance a units now. So radius is equal to radius of the circle will become a. X square plus y square equal to a square. Suppose when the ellipse is in this form, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, when a is less than b, b dash is called the major axis of this ellipse and a dash is minor axis. As you know that definition of auxiliary circle, the circle describes on major axis of the ellipse. Major axis means b dash now, when a is less than b. So the figure will come like this. The circle which describes on. So this circle is called auxiliary circle when A is less than B. That time the auxiliary circle equation equal to x square plus y square equal to b square when A is less than B. So this is about auxiliary circle, dear students. So in the next video we will discuss about parametric equations and director circle proof with concepts I will give in that video. After that, various forms of the ellipse related problems I will explain. I hope you understand it, students. Thank you. Happy Diwali for all.